Hi, Malay here. Today I will show you how a floating text features in GoHighlevel will create a wonderful documents or contracts, and you can manage your documents and contracts so smoothly, so effectively, then it would be a great management for your document. To understand it very well, I will show you the features step by steps. For that, you have to come to the sub account, that is Medha workspace. Under sub account, there is payment tab. Into payment tab, there is the option of document and contract, where you will find the documents. You can upload your PDF directly from the options. But today, I will show how the floating features will help you in your documents. You can create your document from this new tab, where you can upload your PDF, or from the sketch you can do your document. To the document sections, then there I will find that the documents, that is agreement. I can change the name of the agreement as per my need, and from that part there I've already created this party 1 and party 2. For one, that is Malaypal, that is me, and party 2, that is another one of my customers. For this, what I have to do, that there is the element, there's fillable element, that is signature, that is signature, that is value element, and that is date. Date. But here I have placed already, so I can delete this as I placed it earlier. So I will give some examples how it works. We are getting that signature field, that is text field, and that is date field. In signature field, we can go for, in signature field we can assign, in signature field I can assign to the customized email ID, that is suppose me, already given here. And for the text fields, I can put my name here, and in date field I can put the date when the document signature is happened, suppose like that. I will send it to party 1, that is me. For that, I will just go to the send button, then share via link. When the link will come, I will get the link through create link generations, and where we will get the link and we will copy it. When it will be copied, then we can this link already pasted, and I will get my document here, the start filing out. When we go to the start filing, the file guide me to signature. If I go to the signature, then automatically signature, I accept and sign, then automatically signature will be put here, and then the document. When the part 1 is completed, like that, I also sent the document to click that one link for Manipal, on one link for Sunil Verma. We can copy it. Also, we can send, it to the customers. When you will find the document, he can start filing as signature section, that is Sunil Verma, accept, sign, enter value Sunil Verma, and he have signed on 11th. Then you will get that is finish. When the finish button will be created, then the process will be finalized. There are also wonderful features, that is the fillable field also can be placed accordingly. If you want to change the place, you can do, or if you want to change through your keyboard. Suppose this is signatures, I want to place it up, then shift and upper arrow, then it will go up. And if I want to below, then I can shift and lower arrow, like that way. It's a wonderful features in Go High Level.